there, my name is Mave and welcome back. Today we have some sentences about music. Are you ready? Let's start. Ahora en la calle hay mucha gente, which means now in the street there are a lot of people. There are a lot of people. Let's do it together. Ahora en la calle hay mucha gente. Let's do it again. Ahora en la calle hay mucha gente. How do we say ahora? We don't pronounce the H. We don't say ahora. It's ahora, now. We don't say hi. No, we don't say hi. We say I. We don't pronounce the H. Mucha is the same. Y gente is gente. Let's do it one more time. Ahora, en la calle hay mucha gente. Well done. Singer means cantante, and lead singer means cantante principal. As you quite well know, we always put the characteristic at the back. Cantante principal at the back. So, mi prima es la cantante principal. My cousin is the lead singer. Let's do it together. Mi prima es la cantante principal. Brilliant. Drama means batería. My cousin is the drummer. Mi primo es el batería. Let's do it together, juntas. Mi primo es el batería. Well done. Mi tío toca la pandereta. My uncle plays the tambourine. Mi tío toca la pandereta. And once more. Mi tío toca la pandereta. Well done. Did you notice to play an instrument in Spanish is to touch an instrument? Guitarra means guitar. My auntie plays the guitar. Mi tía toca la guitarra. Let's do it together. Mi tía toca la guitarra. Guitarra. Guitar. It's a bit strong. Guitarra. Okay. Y yo toco la guitarra eléctrica. And I play the electric guitar. Let's do it together. Yo toco la guitarra, and at the back, eléctrica. Yeah, electric guitar. Super. If you had liked my video, please go to the next one. If you had liked my video, please go to the next one.